Hello everyone. In this video, we'll make a country-wise COVID-19 tracker with GUI to get the status of coronavirus of all countries. We'll use Covid library and Matplotlib library to draw charts and get data. So let's start. First of all, we will need some libraries to install. That is pip install Covid, and it is already installed, so that's why I'm not running it. First you have to install pip install covid and then pip install matplotlib. So after installing these libraries, so here you can see, let me write here, pip install covid and pip install matplotlib. So after installing these two libraries, now we have to write our code. So as I've just created a folder with some images and an empty file with the name of COVID-19. So now let's start the coding. From tk enter from tk enter import static, import tk enter as tk. From import image tk image and root sorry for the spelling tk. Now root dot icon photo false tk dot photo image. And here you have to give the name of the file you just want to put as the icon. So my file is b.png, so I'll write b.png. Let's give it geometry, let's say size is 750 750 by 550, and root dot title will be COVID-19 country status. Let's run it and check it if it is working. Oh sorry, the P is capital. So it is working fine. It has put that icon and the title. So let's move to the rest of the things. After status, just give it a background. So let's give it a background of light pale blue. So it is a light background. I hope it will be look fine. Give it a canvas. So I'm using this canvas to put an image here. So it will look like a professional software. So if you don't want to do this, just skip it. Here canvas dot back. Now we have to give the image. Image is equal to image tk dot photo image and image dot open, and I have an image to put it here with the name z.jpg. Canvas dot create image and height and width and anchor anchor nw and image is equal to img. Let's check it. So here it is. So it looks fine now. So let's move toward. Okay. So now we have to write a function to show the data. So let's say def show data from matplotlib, import pyplot as plt and import matplotlib dot patches as m patches. Okay, so now from covid import covid equal to covid. Here the cases is equal to and confirmed and what else is active. Cases confirmed active, that's and recovered. Okay, so we'll write our code in try catch. So try root dot update. It will simply close the previous loop, previous route, and go to the next one. Countries is equal to data dot get. Okay, countries, country names equal to countries dot trip So basically we are taking the countries from this COVID library, which is Python's library, and it has like data of almost all countries. Country names dot split. So now we'll need a loop for x in country names cases dot append. We'll write COVID dot get status country by country name x, and root dot sorry update. So the next loop is for y in cases confirmed dot append y confirmed, and active dot append y active. Copy this. Now active, that's here we'll also have that's, and the last one was recovered. Okay. Now let's do the colors information. Confirmed patch is equal to m patches dot patch, color is equal to a black, and label label is first one was confirmed, just copy this again so we don't have to write it again and again. Okay. So confirmed recovered, and let's say the color is for recovered is sorry, let's the last one, that's here will be that's, and this one will be active, and here we will write active, and recovered, sorry, recovered, here we have to write recovered. Okay, so now plot a graph, plt dot give a legend, confirmed patch, recovered patch, active patch, and that's patch. So now we have to show the data for x in a range, length of country name, sorry, country names, and plt dot bar country names x and confirmed x, and color is, let's say, black. Okay, if recovered x is greater than active, then plt dot bar country names x confirmed x and color is equal to black. Plt dot bar country names x active x and color equal to red. And else plt dot bar country names x active x color red, and plt dot bar country names x recovered and color, sorry, color green. Was covered, the color is green. So here if recovered cases as greater than active cases, then it will first show recovered then active, and if the else if the active are greater than the recovered, then it will show active then recovered ones. plt dot var country names x, and the rest of the things will be same. That's x, and color will be orange. plt dot title current COVID cases. plt dot text label country name and plt dot y label cases in millions. So now the accept part exception as e print enter correct details. Here label root enter the name of the country to get its COVID-19 data. Give it a font. Consolas and size 15 and bold, and bg color will be the same as we gave it earlier, light pale blue. Dot back okay. So the next thing is label root text enter country name, give a font of consolas size 16 and normal. Let's bold it. Okay, bold, and BG color will be the same, light pale blue. Dot back. Okay, so data equal to string var, your data set of an empty string. Okay. Entry is equal to entry root text variable is equal to data font calibri. I think the spellings are right. 20 and normal. Give it a width 30, and again dot back. Now label root and pg light pale blue dot back. Now let's have a button root text is equal to get data. Font will be consolas 15 and bold. And height is equal to 2. And width 10. And the command is equal to show data. Now we are calling in this command we are calling the function, this one. Okay. Now dot back and root dot main loop is already okay. So I think it is completed, so let's check it. So this is how our software will look like. Enter the name of the country to get its COVID-19 data. Enter country name. So let's write US, get data. So here's the graph, or you can say plot. So the black one is confirmed cases, green is recovered, red are active, and orange is deaths. So this is the total deaths, and these are the cases in millions. So black one are confirmed. So let's check for another country. So let's say Canada. So here is the plot of Canada. So there are no active cases in Canada now. So if you think the data is incorrect, so the fault is not in your software, it is the data that is collected online, or you can say from the Python's COVID-19 library. So the data may be differ. Now let's check 2 to 3 countries at a time: USA, Canada, Australia. So that's how the software will look like if you check for 2 to 3 countries at a time. This is because US has too many cases. That's why Australian cases are not showing properly. So let's remove US from here. Now you will see the cases in Australia clearly. So here it is. Australia has a quite small number of cases as compared to US and Canada. So that's all for the video. Today's video, you will get the code in the description. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it.